2004 Lexus IS 300. I used to have one of these. Same color too. Really nice cars. Anyways, it's got a V6 engine. It's got two catalytic converters right off the manifold. There's one there and one up there. Then it was into a single. Then it's got a third converter here. And still got its factory resonator or mid muffler. Then what we did is a muffler delete. Right there. That's how you do a muffler delete on these, boys and girls. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Into a 4-inch tip that we'll have a link in the description for, hopefully. It's a Lexus IS 300, 2004. There it is. That's the muffler delete. And the original muffler is right there. So we took it off. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2010 Lexus IS 250. What we did on it for you guys today is it's still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then it's got rear converters, secondaries. Then it's got a massive resonator. The customer didn't want to take it off. Then we deleted the rear two mufflers, this side and this side. We kept the original tips for now. He'll come back and change them probably later on. That's what a muffler delete looks like on these IS 250 or 350. Sorry, Lexus LS 460. What we did on it for you guys today is we left everything stock converters in there and in there. Then it's got stock converters in the middle. Left the resonators on it. But we did a muffler delete. One here and one here. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Or in a second because of the internet world. Right there, right there. Everything else is stock. Lexus LS 460L.
Sounds better than it was coming right off the resonator. Yeah.
It's a lot deeper. Yeah, you gotta do the resonator next. Sound decibels, go ahead.
That's a decibel meter. Get in there and I'll red light it.
We will, once you back it out here, we'll do that. But we don't do it when people's cars, you know. We let the customers do it. You see right there, we have the other customer earlier today did circles in the parking lot, in the middle of the road.
Would, but my car has an open differential.
Yeah, that was a Camaro. It doesn't sound too bad, man. I like it. It's nice and deep.
I'm getting a mid pipe.
Let you guys hear it next. Resonator gives it a really deep tone. Again. Oh yeah, that sounds really good. Back it up. That's 460L. Muffler delete. There's the old muffler. Sounds really good. much better. But that's the customer doing it, not us. It sounds a lot better, bro. All right, get on it. Appreciate it, man. Have a great day. IS 300. He said he'll get on it. Hopefully he won't disappoint. That tip fits it perfectly. Sorry, it's a little windy, guys, today. We're gonna true dual that. Nice. We're gonna true dual that fish truck next. That's how all Lexuses should sound.